नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, कल श्री CN वेणुगोपालन सर जो पेंशन एक्टिविस्ट हैं, उन्होंने एक मैसेज कन्वे किया था। कैनरा बैंक रिलीज्ड ₹24.51 lakhs as arrear of the pension from 1st May 2010 to Sri A.K. Padmanabhan of Syndicate Bank who retired on the 30th April 2010। फ्रेंड्स, इस मैसेज के बारे में आपको याद होगा कि एक वीडियो मैंने भी बनाया था और ये कन्वे श्री CN वेणुगोपालन सर ने कहा था कि पेमेंट ऑफ पेंशन टू श्री K.A. Padmanabhan एम्प्लॉय नंबर ऑफ ई सिंडिकेट बैंक अर्लियर syndicate bank in compliance with the direction of the Kerala High Court writ appeal number 1957 of 2019. It was a matter of disgrace that in spite of the High Court of Kerala directing to pay pension to the above employees, Canara Bank took the matter to the Supreme Court in India in violation of the National Litigation Policy through SLP 5537 of 23. Posthumously to test the defeat once again, simply as it litigated at the cost of the public money. Canara Bank was following the footstep of the Syndicate Bank, which went into obscurity after committing sins to employees who worked for it. इस केस को जो श्री A. पद्मनाभन साहब रिटायर्ड हुए थे, उनको पेंशन क्या उनको नहीं मिल रहा था और इस बारे में वो कैनरा बैंक को जब ये केरला हाई कोर्ट ने आदेश दिया तो उन्होंने इसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ले गए और सुप्रीम कोर्ट से भी फिर आदेश हुआ कि नहीं, इसको पेमेंट होना चाहिए। और अब कैनरा बैंक के चेयरमैन को श्री CN वेणुगोपालन साहब ने पत्र लिखा था जो इस मैटर को ऑलरेडी डील कर रहे थे और अब उन्होंने इन्फॉर्म किया है कि कैनरा बैंक रिलीज्ड ₹24.51 lakhs as arrear of pension from 1st May 2010 to Sri A.K. Padmanabhan of Syndicate Bank who retired on 30th April 2010. A mission which started in 2011 later have and a happy ending. PPO and modalities of the pension commutation, restoration of full pension, etc. are yet to be received. In initial petition, judge directed prospective enrolment to pension scheme which entails loss of pension for 8 years. When this was refused by Syndicate Bank, the order was again challenged and the judge directed refund of 2.8 times pay for November 23 and interest to the petitioner. He lost his eligibility to pension. In review filed by the bank, judge ordered payment of interest alone as the bank had already paid back 2.8 times pay for November forcibly to the petitioner on 20th June 2013. The employee who could not afford any litigation abandoned the matter altogether. The matter was then pursued by Sri CN Venugopalan sir and division bench directed on 2nd December 22 to pay pension from the date of retirement to the petitioner. Canara Bank again went to Supreme Court and the SLP was disallowed on 27th March 23. Pressure calibrated on Can Bank resulted in payment of ₹24.51 lakhs. PPO and working of the amount waited from the bank. Sri CN Venugopalan. A good news for the retirees and the efforts taken by the CN Venugopalan sir is appreciated, who have taken all the pain for the payment of Sri Mr. Padmanabhan, for which retirees dues were due since long. Thank you friends. Namaskar.